Hey YouTube, this is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. coming to you with a video. It's been a while since I made one. We sold off all the go-karts, so we're no longer in the go-kart business. So here's a little something for you. My dad built an airboat. That's right, an airboat. So I'm going to show you what he's done. Alright, here's the airboat. It's a pretty good boat. Got the seat up front. Got the wooden floor in here. Now, here's the big reveal. Ta-da! Right there's your throttle control and battery. It's got a 420cc engine on it, straight stack pipe. All this is welded in. This is a thing off of a fan. We have our fins on the back. Got the propeller. And this is how you start it. This is how you steer the back end of it. Side to side. Got that big pretty engine. And here's what you call the captain seat. And we're fixing to go take it on its maiden voyage today. And see how it does. Here we are at Cedar Lake, fixing to test this boat, see if it's going to work. Alright, and that concludes our video for the day. It works. And here's the man that made it. Say hello, Dad.
Hey, how you doing?
Alright, y'all. Enjoy it. We got to do, that was just a test and tune. I think what we're going to have to do is make bigger flaps on the back. Make those a little bigger. But we got plenty of horsepower. And also, don't drive an airboat on a windy day. And a shout out to Rose Matheny, who I love and adore. This is for you, baby. This is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. Signing out.